Hey guys, Mr. Zern here. Welcome back. Let's take a look at my Magic 8-Ball program using the function command here in Python. So let's take a look. Welcome to the Magic 8-Ball. What is your name? All right, my name is Adam. Adam, ask me a question. How about the question all of you have? Will I pass this course? Question mark. All right, it says, ooh, ask again later. Boy, that's tough. All right, turns left 7. You've asked me one question. Do you have another question to ask? Now, if I say no, the program terminates. You asked, will I pass this course? Okay, talk to you again in the future. So it prints how many questions I asked, or prints what the questions were, I should say, and then kind of a goodbye statement. So we can kind of terminate that at any point with that question. Let's jump back in there and just do that again. All right, ask me a question. Will I pass this course? Question mark. Better not tell you. Oh boy, that's not a good sign. All right, do you have another question to ask me? Yes. All right, Adam, ask me a question. All right. How about, will I get through this presentation without messing up? Let's find out. Ooh, ask again later. Another tough one. All right. Do you have another question to ask? I sure do. So I have 6 turns left, and you've asked me 2 questions. All right, Adam, ask me a question. Let's see. Will chicken be for lunch? Question mark. Better not tell you. Oh man, we are having chicken, that means. All right, turns left 5. You've asked me 3 questions. Do you have another question to ask? Yes. Adam, ask me a question. Will there be pizza at the hot bar? Don't count on it. Whoa, I didn't see that one coming. All right, turns left 4. You've asked me 4 questions. Do you have another question to ask? Yes. Let's see. Ask me a question. Will my phone's battery last until the end of school? Ooh, better not tell you. Oh boy, 3 turns left. You have asked me 5 questions. That's a lot of questions. Okay, so I've got some conditional statements in there that's kind of looking at how many questions you've asked. If you notice there, if we go back to the first question, it says you have asked me 1 question. Then when we got to 2, it added the plural form of that. So the if question, I have some if conditional statements. So, if questions equal 1, say it a certain way. If questions is greater than 2, say it a certain way. And then I have a point where, because this 5 questions or more, it starts to say, hey, that's a lot of questions. You still have another question. So I'm going to say yes. We'll probably do one more here. Adam, ask me a question. All right. Will we have a snow day today? There we go. Ask me again later. Man, this thing is tough. All right, 2 turns left. I'm getting really tired, the program says. You've asked me 6 questions. That's a lot of questions. Do you still have another question to ask? All right, we'll do one more. Let's get that snow day question in there. Will we have not school day, snow day? Maybe that's why I was confused. Snow day today. Or will it snow today? It is decidedly so. Yay! Turns left 1. I'm getting really tired. You've asked me 7 questions. That's a lot of questions. Do you still have another question to ask? Now, if I say no, it would just exit the program. Let's ask one more, because we're going to run out of questions, and we'll see what happens here. So I'll say yes. Adam, ask me a question. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Is there life on Mars? It is certain. Turns left 0. I'm getting really tired. You've asked me 8 questions. That's a lot of questions. Do you have another question to ask? I'll say yes. It's going to say too bad, basically. And it's basically, so there prints all the questions that I asked, and it says, okay, talk to you again in the future, Adam. All right, so there's my little Magic 8-Ball. Kind of keeps track of how many questions I asked. As long as I say yes, it keeps asking questions, unless I've asked 8 questions, at which point it basically terminates the program there. All right, looking forward to seeing your Magic 8-Ball program, and I will talk to you guys later.